Many moons ago, when I went to cooking school, I tried for the first time Spaetzle. Believe me, I wasn't sure what to think of it, but when I tasted it, I started using it to replace pastas and rice. And I'm making a mouth-watering shrimp and Spaetzle. You only need 4 ingredients to make this dough your favorite pasta. I like to make a little hole in the flour so I can add the eggs and the water, and the dough is gonna end up being smooth and lump-free. And this is a consistency that I want. Goopy. Now a little flavor to my shrimp, and then magic. I know that my Spaetzle is ready when it flows to the top, just like gnocchi. A bit of olive oil so they don't stick. My shrimp has flavor, my Spaetzle is cooked, and now some fun. When making Spaetzle, you can use any flavoring that you like, but I always recommend butter or olive oil. Cooking, it's all about the fun. My shrimp is nice and crispy, and my Spaetzle, it's all covered in buttery goodness. Now, I can't even wait to put this on the plate. Maybe even a little more Parmesan. Now, Italians say no seafood with cheese. When eating Spaetzle, I urge you to break that rule. The combo. There's something here going on that is amazing. Earthy flavors together with the flavors of the sea, but also the freshness of green onions and the nutty goodness of butter, wrapped up with a touch of Parmigiano Reggiano. And from cooking school to this day, Spaetzle keeps getting better and better.